Alright, unboxing the new blue tint Yeezy 700s.
Shade model, get with it or get lost.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Look at
Let's go. And by the way, this is a nice package. You see? Nicely sealed. Nike, take a hint. Okay, nicely sealed all the way around. Alright, Nike, take a hint. Okay. I like the nice seals too. Nice light seals. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, 700s. Nicely bright on top. Okay. You can discard this bad boy all together. Now, just looking at the box. Boost. 700 MNVN made by Adidas. It's really made by Yeezy, but I get it, Adidas. Size 9, 42, and for US, for Euro, you get it. Okay, MNVN. What? Am I opening it wrong? Okay, this part's giving me a little trouble right here. I just slide it out. Okay, just slide it out, okay? There they are. Blue tints. Okay. My first pair of Yeezys, and I know some people don't like the nylon because they get all wrinkly and stuff when your feet are not in it. But these are tough. To me, they're more like a white, and that's why the blue tint is a good name for it, because it just has a light tint of blue. But the nylon, dope. Tongue, dope. This shit here, dope. I like it. I fuck with it. I like the bottom too, how you can see kind of the exposed styrofoam, I guess, at the heel. Overall, dope. I mean, different kind of shoe for sure, 100%. I'm rocking with it though. The blue's so light, it's like kind of like a blue tint of a cloud. The clouds that was lightly blue. This is probably the most blue right here. This part here. Okay. Rocking with it though. Size 9, kind of small. Okay. Both sides. Like I said, a lot of people don't like the wrinkly nylon part of this, you know. And it's kind of thin. It's a thin kind of skin. You can feel the thinness of the skin there. Overall, though, I like it. The really blue, though, is right here. This like light blue tab here. It's noticeably different color than the rest of the shoe. The shoe, like I said, and you can see the contrast between this light blue here and the light blue here. This is darker. This is lighter. And ultimately, great first impressions. I gotta try it on feet, though. I won't lie. But tongue is nice. The tongue just attached to the shoe the whole way. It doesn't separate. Okay. So you definitely gotta like pull these on, I'm assuming. Slide them on from the back. Stuff your feet in them. But overall, first impression's nice. Definitely a lot of dope quality material. My first pair of Yeezys. Literally got my first pair of Jordans and first pair of Yeezys this year, 2021. What a wild year this is already. And look what I got. But that's it for the unboxing. I think the color is tough. I do see the problem with people saying about the wrinkliness, but I'm gonna try it on feet. Right, so this is the on feet view. As you can see here, some of the creases went away since it's on my feet. Okay. Still got the tags on. But nonetheless, you get to see what it's like on feet. So this is on feet pretty much. If you look closely, you can't see really the wrinkles. You know, when you, let's say, crease the shoe here, stand straight up, wrinkles are gone. So it does have like a kind of anti-wrinkle effect on it with the nylon, except for around here. Kind of here, there's like a little pinch you could see, a little dimple there. Not too bad. I'm not too mad about that. One thing I would say is in the light, you can see that these 5 what holds this laces. You see 5 stripes here, and it kind of reminds me of K-Swiss. And I thought to myself, damn, maybe they should have had these in different colors. You could see 3 lines like the Adidas lines. So that's my one thought. That, you know, wouldn't have the 5 stripes like K-Swiss, but it's the hold the laces, whatever that's called. I don't know the name of that. Whatever it's called, the hold the laces. You know, it's 5 black lines you can kind of see. Like I said, I think it would have been dope with just 3 of them. And these may be clear or something, I don't know, but maybe the defective design. That's just my little 2 cents if I was designing the Yeezys, alright? Cool. Other than that, I think the shoe is dope. I think it's dope. I think it's definitely dope shit. Glad I got a pair. Alright. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.